My name's Tony McNally. I'm with Vanguard Promotions. We're from New York City.
And I'm Joe Favor. I'm with Vanguard Promotions as well from New York. For me, in my personal experience with commonsku, the one word that I continually come back to is tribe. commonsku is a tribe, which is a different way of saying community and culture, but I just feel tribe tells the story really well when I describe what this community is to anybody who's on the fence.
For myself, it's air. Because I need air to breathe and I need commonsku to maintain my business every day. It's everything that I use for my staff, it's what I use for the sales team, production team, for my clients. It's what I use to find products within the industry. It's what I use for up-to-date information on the industry. So what is air?
It's
what
a lifeline.
I need all day.
It transformed the way we do business with clients. I throw the word agility around a lot. The agility it gave us is immeasurable. The responsiveness to clients, the creativity we could show them at the drop of a hat. We had a client who said they got tears in their eyes the first time they saw something on this platform that used to see things, on my old platform.
And to add to agility, I'm going to add the word flexibility. Because we are so multi-tiered with print, promo, and design, a lot of our projects are not just promo-based. They end up encompassing different departments. And it allows us, because of the flexibility of commonsku, we can create a print portion of the project, we can create a promo portion of the project, we can create a design portion of the project, and put that whole thing together and show it to the client, send it to the vendors, follow up and invoice the client for one project as opposed to one item.
I've had a number of clients that were literally overwhelmed because they were so conditioned to expect the older business models.
I have to say, for me, the single most competitive advantage that commonsku gives us to our clients is shops. We've put up shops from everything from schools who wanted to create uniforms for the students to be able to buy online. We've done shops for corporate clients that have been wildly successful in getting their brand out to their coworkers or to their clients. They're able to do that. And then we've even done it at hospitals.
Stagnation is a dangerous thing. Not just our industry, but everything's obviously evolving at light speed. I've watched the industry evolve over decades. So staying on the fence is a dangerous proposition.
Rip the Band-Aid off. You're gonna find 100 reasons to not change. All you need is that one good reason to make the change. Put in the work, put in the time, it'll pay off in the end.